In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Google Calendar in Notion. We're going to walk through this slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, you'll have your Google Calendar fully visible and interactive inside a Notion page, which is great for centralizing your tasks, events, and notes in one workspace. First, head over to Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of your calendars under the My Calendars section. Find the specific calendar you want to embed in Notion. Hover your mouse over that calendar's name and look for the 3 vertical dots that appear next to it. Click those dots to open the menu and then choose Settings and Sharing. This will take you to a settings page just for that calendar. Here, scroll until you see the section that controls access permissions. You need to make this calendar visible externally so Notion can display it. Look for the option that says Make Available to Public and tick that checkbox. A quick note here. Making a calendar public means that anyone with the link can potentially view it. So you might want to create a separate calendar just for shared or less sensitive events if privacy is a concern. Once that box is checked, stay on the same page and scroll further down until you find the section called Integrate Calendar. In this section, you'll see different types of links. Look specifically for the one labeled Public URL to this calendar. Highlight that URL and copy it to your clipboard. Now switch over to Notion. Open the page where you want your calendar to appear, or create a new page if you're starting from scratch. Click on an empty block, the place where you normally start typing, and type / then the word Embed. Notion will show you an option simply called Embed. Click that. A small window will pop up asking for a link. Paste the Google Calendar URL you copied earlier into this field. Then click the button to embed the link. After a moment, your Google Calendar should appear right inside the Notion page as an interactive embed. You can click and drag the edges or corners of the embedded calendar to resize it, making it wider or taller to fit the layout of your page. Take a moment to adjust it so it's easy to read and fits with the rest of your content. And that's it. Your Google Calendar is now successfully embedded in Notion and ready to use.